exudes a beautiful face, with a big breast, with a sexy body, with a big hips. But ladies and gentlemen, mind you, for me, confidently beautiful are those persons who accept their imperfections beyond borders of discrimination, who accept their flaws, who accept who they are and what they are in the community, regardless of what the people will say about them, regardless of the judgment of the people. Confidently beautiful is something that you embrace who you are and what you are from the moment that you are born. You will be questioning me, why do I change myself? If I am confidently beautiful, I embrace it. That's why I'm here. A reflection of a person who embraces imperfection. Look at me. I changed my physical appearance, not because I want it. I change it because I want to let the people know that at the end of the day, when I grow old, I will be back to the same person who I was before. This beauty will fade, but the dignity you have in your heart will always and remain forever.